Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating the ever-evolving world of online dating. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to reset your likes on Tinder in 2025. If you've been swiping away and feel like your like count is holding you back, or you're just looking for a fresh start, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, why would you want to reset your likes? Well, in 2025, Tinder has some new features that make it easier to manage your profile, but over time, your like history can affect your algorithm and visibility. Resetting gives you a clean slate to attract better matches. Now, before we get started, a quick heads up. This process might vary slightly based on your device and app version, so make sure you're updated to the latest Tinder app. Step 1. Open the Tinder app on your phone and log in to your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials. Remember, use a secure connection. Step 2. Head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the top left or right corner, depending on your interface. Once there, look for the Settings gear icon. It's usually straightforward, but if you're on a newer version, you might see a Privacy or Account section. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find options related to your activity. In 2025, Tinder has introduced a Reset Activity feature under Likes and Matches. Tap on that. It might prompt you to confirm your identity for security reasons. Step 4. Select Reset Likes and follow the on-screen instructions. This could involve verifying your email or phone number. Once confirmed, Tinder will process the reset, which usually takes a few minutes. Voila, your like count is back to 0. But hold on, a few tips to make this even smoother. Always back up any important conversations or matches before resetting, as this might clear some data. Also, be mindful of Tinder's guidelines. Tinder doesn't love mass resets, so use this sparingly to avoid any account flags. There you have it, folks. Resetting your likes on Tinder in 2025 is quicker than ever. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more dating hacks. Catch you in the next one. Happy swiping.